Jicama black bean and chipotle relish, and lastly, a natural jus that's complemented by melted raspberries.
I like that you really seem to express yourself in these elements. I like it.
You get a very juicy piece of meat. The nettles are beautiful. The gratin, it has great flavor. But the thing that I don't understand about this dish is why would you have sweet potatoes and carrots?
I saw the sweet potatoes, and I recall that Jeffrey likes potatoes.
Mark likes potatoes.
Mark does, I apologize.
I would eliminate the raspberries. It's like a cooked sponge, you know, there's nothing to it.
Chef Wade, thank you. You have given the judges a lot to talk about. Please give them a moment.
I am kicking myself for not having sauce on top.
Winners never quit, quitters never win.
I know I'm the best chef in the joint now. I'm all about winning, and I intend to beat both of you.
How long you gonna stare at that bird for a piece of food, dog? Ooh, you pooped on. Look at the wrinkles on the back of the legs.
She ain't got wrinkles.
He didn't drop nothing, fatty.
He did earlier. It was a french fry. Roxy. Roxy. Did you get that french fry? Did he give you that french fry? Huh?